So what we're getting ready to make today is this right here. You guys, this is a corned beef Reuben dip. And I promise you, don't want to miss out on this. Yum yum, get you some. What's up you guys, Dano here. Hope you had a Merry Christmas and I'm wishing you a Happy New Year with this recipe here today. I went and bought a 3-pound corned beef brisket and 1 pound of bacon, and I ground it up in my meat grinder to create this mix of corned beef and bacon. So you guys, what we're gonna do is I already made smash burgers. You gotta make sure you check out my TikTok. I'll probably post it over here on YouTube. But what we're gonna do with the rest of it here today is we're gonna turn this into a Reuben dip. I may do mine a little different because I don't like rye bread. Criticize me all you want, but I'm just showing you how to make an awesome Reuben dip. And it's gonna be amazing, and it's even gonna be fantastic because we're gonna put some Danos in. You guys hit that like button, leave a comment, let me know what you think, and stay tuned because we're getting ready to make some Reuben dip. All right, first step, we're gonna fire up our pan. Like I said, this is about 2.5 pounds. We used the other 1.5 pounds to make our Reuben smash burgers. So, you guys have never had a Reuben smash burger, you're missing out. I kind of think I created them because I've never seen them made anywhere else. I kind of just came up with it last year. They were so good, I made them again this year for my New Year's TikTok. So we took 3 pounds of corned beef brisket and 1 pound of bacon. We cut that up, cubed it up, put it in our meat grinder, and that's how we got to this 4 pounds. Well, now it's 2.5 pounds of corned beef and bacon, basically ground beef. We're gonna get the meat cooked, and then we're gonna add the rest of our fixings, and we're gonna make this corned beef Reuben dip. All right, y'all, so it's been about 10 minutes or so. You can see that it's getting cooked up. There's not a whole lot of juice in there, so I don't have to worry about draining any of this grease. Like I said, this is brisket, y'all. This is corned beef, so it's looking red, pink right now. It's never gonna change from that. It's always gonna stay pink. That's the thing about corned beef. Kill the heat on this because we already got it cooked. Plus it's gonna continue to cook while it's in the oven. So I'm gonna go on and start adding all our fixings here. I'm gonna get some of this sauerkraut, some of that kraut brand. I've actually never had it till today, and we did it on our smash burgers and it's awesome. So I'm gonna recommend you get the kraut. So I'm gonna go on and add this whole container in here. Get that mixed around a little bit. We're gonna go in with a little bit of Duke's mayonnaise. Nice, good, healthy couple scoops of that. We're gonna get us some sour cream. Probably use about a 1/2 cup of sour cream. We're gonna just squeeze that in. And then we also got a little bit of that Thousand Island. So we'll put some of that in there as well. Gotta have that Thousand Island. What you don't want to forget is the Danos. We're going Danos original. We're not making this spicy at all. We're just adding more flavor to it. So instead of adding your salt, pepper, whatever, we're just putting a bunch of Danos, give it a nice, good, awesome flavor of Danos in there. Oh yeah, I'm excited about this. I saw this on TikTok, Old School Kevo. We got all our sauce in there, our Danos, our sauerkraut. So we need to bring this all together. I got a little bit of mozzarella cheese. Mix this mozzarella in a little bit. Now, let's get our Swiss in here. So what I'm gonna do, cut it into pieces or rip it into pieces like this. Lay all the individual pieces in there. And I'm gonna turn this back on. We're gonna kind of let this melt a little bit as we get going. And we'll see how this bad boy turns out. But I know it's gonna be good. Move that around as best as we can. Turn it back off again. This is smelling amazing, by the way. If you're a Reuben fan, corned beef fan, I'm pretty sure you're gonna love this. Get this cheese on the top and then we'll kind of mix it down in. We're going in at 400 for 30 minutes. And when this comes out, you better still be here and it's gonna be damn good. So let's go. And don't forget, you can use chips as you want for the dip, but I'm actually using these baguettes. So if you want to do the rye bread, find some rye bread or just go find rye bread and bake it yourself and make toast out of it, basically. So I don't like rye bread. I'm not a caraway seed fan. So this is what I'm going with. But let's throw these in the oven, get those warmed up. So it's ready. We're gonna give it about 20 minutes, but you can tell we need to get some of that grease off the top. That's a little bit too much. A little bit strong on grease. All right, y'all, it's ready. Take a look at that. That looks fantastic. So let's get in here, see how it turned out for us. Definitely meaty from the corned beef. We're gonna give that just a second. I don't know what to say about that other than it's good. The texture of that corned beef brisket with the bacon after we cooked it and then let it cook in this, it's almost like crumbly, like fall apart. It's really good. It's super hot. I said I was gonna let it sit for 20 minutes. I let it sit for like 3 minutes. So look at that. You guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I hope you give this a try. Make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe, leave a comment, tell me what you think. Till next time, keep sprinkling, my friends. We'll see you soon.